Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to clear the conversation in Snapchat. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to your Snapchat application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in Snapchat, click the profile picture on the upper left side on your screen. And click the gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, here in settings, scroll down and find the privacy. So okay guys, to clear your conversation, you have to do is click the clear conversation. And okay guys, here in clear conversation, you can see the conversation of your Snapchat. So okay guys, to clear the conversation, you'll have to do is click the X on the right side of conversation. Okay, and the pop-up will show, and are you sure you want to clear this conversation? This will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any save or send message in your conversation. So okay guys, you have to do to clear the conversation is click clear button. So okay guys, that's it, and your conversation was clear. So okay, take another conversation. You have to do is click the X and click the clear button. And okay guys, that's it, and I was clear the all conversation one by one. So okay guys, I have no conversation, and okay guys, that's it, and your conversation are all clear. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.